Hey everyone, this is Jace over here at Red Digital, and I am going to show you guys how to generate a page with a link that for your customers to be able to leave reviews. There's a lot of softwares out there, so you have Podium charges $400 a month and up. I think they might charge more than that. You got a lot that charge $40, you charge $90, $100. It's kind of that gap where you have some that are charging $500 a month all the way down to $40 a month. Well, I'm going to show you a way that you can just set up a review system on your own that doesn't cost you anything. It just costs you whatever you're paying for your website. So let's jump in. Here's what it looks like. So if I want to send out an email to customers and ask them for a review, I'm just going to send them this link. The link is reddmg.com/review. Now, what you can do here, let me show you what happens. I just put, thank you for taking the time to leave us a review. Had a great experience. You click here. We need to chat. You click here. Great reviews are rewarded. Then I give them some swag if they leave a good review. So if you click on this link right here, you will see that it takes you right to a spot where you can leave a review. Very simple to do. And that's what a lot of these softwares that you guys are paying $90 a month to, this is all they're doing. They just do it on their own platform. Then if we need to chat and they have a bad review, it kicks them over to our contact page where they can fill in a form, let us know what's happening. Ideally, what I want to do is create a separate page that says, hey, have you had a bad experience? I want you to call me or text me at this number, and give them a way to contact us. But what this does is it just allows you to bypass. You don't need to go out there and get some amazing software. So the very first thing you do is create your web page, just a review page, a separate page. And then the link to here looks like this. http://search.google.com local, write a review, question, place ID here. Now, I'm going to put a link to this down in the description. This number right at the end is known as my Google ID number. So you can identify that very easily. So Google My Business ID number. Okay, this will pop up. You can just go here to can't find my ID number for support. Click on here, go to place ID, and it'll tell you to put in your location. So I'm just going to go red. Okay, Red Digital Marketing Group right there. There's my ID. Okay. So it gives it to me. I'm going to take that ID. I'm going to plug it into the URL, which I showed you earlier. And once that is plugged in, that's it. You just create the page. When they click on that, that's the URL they go to. Let me show it to you one more time. Search.google local review. You're just going to replace this end place with your ID, and then they can leave a review. So there's a simple way, save you money, and you have a nice review system. And then what I like to do is put the review down into the footer of the website, leave a review right here. And like I said, you can offer them swag, but reviews are important. Google reviews matter, Facebook. If you want them to leave a Facebook review or a Yelp review, you can send them to a page that has the 3 options, and they just click on those options and leave the review. Okay, hope that helps. See ya.